Batisi TV Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Jungka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jongpi
Kachat Sukra kaba Sngi ya kabala penlong daka Seiñ Raij Jowai Seiñ Shisnem kala kutno hapadeng kajing Shongkun ya kani kajing shat laju penlong haswaban bet ya usembai urnai haki hali bat ki pentor hakani kachat Sukra kabala sedang nado ka arput lai terik bat ya kabala penkut haka arpu saw terik ubna ya yong arajar arpu ar la penyai the vice president Jong Seiñ Raij Jowai uba hambines pasa bat ya ka ngo ka dem belai la penlong da uba haipor mi chalam melyangot bat ki kentin lengkot sapang kachat Sukra la sam jingtip do daloi jong ki elaka Jowai uba puramon kinjing da ki spa angot ki pai ba bakin thop ya ki samla senrang bat kenthei bat kumjo ru ki longkmi ki la yashim benta ha ki khat santli ki jingshan Hadin kani lasdang pat saya ke syat mi yau na mingkoi perdi lingba ka biar ka belai ha ka babaro ki khun ke Seiñ Raij Jowai ke la syat rengkat ka tem ka put ka bala pensawa ya ka snong ka thau hadu banda poi hamadan chat Sukra ka badan hayam musyang Jowai hayam musyang la penya ya ka jing syat do presiden Jong Seiñ Raij Jowai uba OR chalam ha kabau Chief Justice Jong ka Yeng Bishar Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee ulalong kum kongsan harengkat kejingnya donlang jong MLA ka than uba wailat miki shilla bat kiwei hadin kani pat la sakhi saya ki jingshat hasurok da kabalej ki benta bapher jong ki dong kisnat kasnong Jowai baraka por menmit kabadai ka benta ka bakhaddo jong ka shat Sukra kala don pat sa ka jingshat penbernya ha menkoi perdi yong pia
the Banana people celebrating the Sukra. God bless you and best wishes. I will be shocked because most of you have not come to hear me, you've come to see the program. I will be with you for the initial part of the program, but I'm already overwhelmed by the color, by the beats, and by the humongous participation, the happiness and hope that I see in the faces, particularly of the next generations. We have to honor and keep our traditions alive. Education, development and science does not mean the sacrifice of tradition. Our identity, our culture, our tradition should be held dear. I congratulate you on the lovely festival and I hope that what is to follow meets the expectations of the large crowd over here. I have only one message. that however intelligent we think we are, we cannot fight with nature. The pandemic should have taught us this much at least. We have to preserve nature, we have to protect nature, we have to coexist with all other living things and have time and space for all water bodies, the flora and fauna.